How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a game pass on Roblox mobile. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And if you guys were looking to monetize the Roblox content you create or the game modes, sessions, or worlds that you create, then here's how you do it. Now the method I'll be showing you should work for both the Roblox app on your phone, so the mobile app, as well as the website of like where I'm at right now. So the way to do it is quite simple. First, you want to open the Roblox application on your phone or the website, and you want to log in as an administrator. And once you're at the dashboard, you want to basically follow this path here, navigate your way to creations, and on the creator dashboard, and select your experience. And from here, you want to click on monetization as your experience. And under the monetization tab, there should be an option that says passes, as you can see here. Now, you obviously want to click on this, and this should take you to a new page where you get to create a pass. So when you create a pass, this should open up a new page. So you actually have the option to upload an image here, but this is entirely optional. And if you want to change it later down the line, then you could just click on the change button, and that's pretty much it. Now you basically want to follow the on-screen instructions here. So fill out the details like the name or title of your pass, and a description of what the player should expect when they purchase your pass. And here's what it looks like. So players can get like a special ticket or privilege pass if they join your world. So you could have it like health or whatever, and add a description, create pass, and the pass displays within the pass section of the creation page. And once you're done with that, that's it. You've successfully created a pass. Now, actually integrating this into your game mode or session will be in another video, but I'll be talking about how to do that later down the line. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.